What's up guys, Sean here, and today I just wanted to do a little quick video of two knives that just arrived for sharpening. These knives were sent by Ken Harris. A lot of you might be familiar with him from being in the chat and on Needs Knives or a lot of these other channels. So shout out to Ken Harris, awesome guy. And let's see what knives he sent for me to sharpen. Alrighty. Oh, look at that. We have some nice Damascus, and it looks like we have two Veros. Start with this one. There we go. Looks like we have a full-size Vero Axon. This is the titanium. This is DLC coated, I believe. Let's give it a flick. Whoa, very smooth. Very nice. See if this edge is any sharp. All right, so it barely will cut hair, just barely. So this one is going to be getting a 17 degree per side, 1000 grit edge. Sit that right there, or no, sit it there. What do we have in this one? Oh, my first time checking out one of these. This is the mini Axon. Nice Damascus clip, carbon fiber scales, Damascus back spacer. Let's see how this one does. Oh, okay, I really like this. I might have to give me one of these. This mini, this thing is where it is at. Gorgeous carbon fiber. Look at the belt sound on this blade. Beautiful, beautiful blade grind. Can't do it like that. Let's see, can you thumb flick it? All right, I really like this mini. Let's see if this one's any sharp. About the same. Ken told me that these both have only cut paper, so yeah, definitely not too sharp for a factory edge. But then again, I became pretty spoiled from all of my Spyderco knives. Spydercos come ridiculously sharp out of the box, so it's not bad. I'm sure it would cut. Let me grab some phone book paper. and tearing. If you go real fast, you could get that one to cut. Let's try one of mine. This paper is kind of hard to cut. This guy, I just sharpened this one the other day. So, yeah. That's what a sharp edge looks like going through phone book paper. But yeah, I have a couple new additions to my wall. I have my American flag, SPYDERCO bug. This sticker was expensive, $7 for this little SPYDERCO bug. But I gotta represent my favorite knife company. Got the SIG sticker, barber pole, one of my favorite Bible verses, Timothy 2:7. For God has not given me the spirit of fear, but of love, but of power, love, and a sound mind. Have the Archangel Saint Michael, who is the protector. MILLIE PM2 P3 Club keychain, and my MILLIE Club collectible coin for 2021, my club coin. So yeah, some cool stuff. I have some more stuff on the way, and yeah, so maybe I will get some footage of me sharpening these. I'm not too sure because I have my daughter, and it is really kind of a pain to do the sharpening footage, and the editing takes so much longer. But we'll see. Maybe I can at least get something together. But besides that, I do have some other cool stuff coming up, so make sure you're keeping your eye out or just hit the notification bell. And yeah, so I love you guys. Jesus loves you. Stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.